Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photos app and click on Photos at the bottom left corner. Following that, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, click on those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected and deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!